BudgetTravelerChris.com welcomes you back to Victoria, BC, Canada. We're back from Mexico, and it's getting nice and sunny with some blue skies in Victoria, BC now. We got the Swiftsure race kicking off this weekend here. We're getting near the end of May. And this is the inner harbor of Victoria, BC. And they also got a little party going on here down here celebrating Swiftsure. They've got a DJ rave party going on here. And they got a few food cars down here. They got people dancing here. We got some live music over there. We got the DJs going on. Got some food trucks over there. People hanging out. Oh, big long lineup for stuff here. So if you're in for a good time, come on down to downtown Victoria in the inner harbor if you want to join in on some festivities here and some live music. It's a free event. It's right up your budget. Doesn't cost a dime. Never know where we'll be or who we'll see on Budget Traveler Chris. So stay tuned, everyone, for more new and exciting videos coming to you from Victoria, BC, Canada.